Wherever you go in the world, you will find people sighing and moaning about traffic. Electric scooters were introduced so you could avoid traffic, but many of these are not good enough to be an alternative to cars. Some electric scooters cannot cope with the different road conditions, and they have a very limited range. So we decided to design the X7.
The Bremer X7 aims to be portable and fast enough to be the perfect electric scooter for everyday use. The X7 stands out in a crowd thanks to its aluminum body and matte black finish. It can be folded down within a second, and with a weight of only 12 kilograms, it's easy to carry. It fits easily into the trunk of your car too. Unlike other electric scooters, the X7 has an easy-to-replace battery. Changing the battery is a doodle. You can also charge your spare battery and your main battery at the same time. The X7 features a single, powerful 350-watt motor, allowing you to easily reach speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour whilst maintaining safety. Come to a stop easily and safely thanks to the X7's triple brake, foot brake, front EBS brake, and rear disc brake. The 8.5-inch wheels are specially made to not only grip the road and tackle terrain, but to minimize the risk of punctures. Featuring an LED display, the X7 keeps you updated as you ride, informing you of the speed, power, and more. The X7 is equipped with front and rear headlights, helping you to be seen when it matters the most.
The Bremer X7 is designed to complete the last mile, but it's so much more than that. If you are looking for a greener alternative to travel with comfort and the long range in mind, the Bremer X7 is for you.